Happy Father's Day, Daddy Steve. I love you so much. Daddy Steve, like lollipop. Every time we go to bank, I always have a free lollipop there. We always take. Daddy still love to take, and she like chocolate. So Father's Day, bring his favorite chocolate and the lollipop. Happy Father's Day, Daddy Steve. I love you so much. Guide me wherever you are. Don't know what to do. And happy Father's Day to all. Happy Father's Day to all fathers in heaven and all the fathers all over the world. Happy Father's Day, all of you. And all. I love you so much, Daddy Steve, and thank you for everything, for loving me. God bless, Daddy Steve.